Hello everybody. Today we are going to continue our fourth chapter. Last time we covered the topic how to create a bulleted list and ordered list. This type of coding we already covered in our last session. If you are able to understand, I hope you will remember this coding: an ordered list, unordered list. There are other structures that publish the content in more structured way. One of the such structure is called table. Today we are going to see how to create a table in HTML. Following section presents tables in HTML. Table handling in HTML. Representation of an information in proper format. Increased degree of understanding and facilities. Ease of its use. Can you imagine a shopping bill printed in continuous paragraph manner? See figure 4.7. Modern school affiliated to Star Education, Gujarat. See, what is this information? We are unable to understand. But if this information is in proper manner, then we are able to understand. Why we are using this type of information? Why we are using a table? What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. In our from primary section to till now, we are learning or we are storing the information in tabular manner. See, here we are able to see these are the rows and these are the columns. Horizontal lines are say rows and vertical lines are say columns. In this table, today we are going to see how to create a HTML, how to create a table in HTML. First, there is an example of creating a small table. If you remember how we are creating a coding in Notepad editor. At first, we will start HTML tag, then head, then title. After my first table, this is our title. We will close our title here. After closing title, we will close head. After closing head, we will start our body. If you remember, we are using h1 tag. This is my new table. H1 close. Now to create a table, we are using table tag. How is table? There are only row and column. Now first tag of the table, sub tag is table row, TR. Now we will give here TD. What is mean by TD? Table heading, TH. Name, TH close, TR close. How many columns you want to in one row? This is my first column. I will start again TH, address, TH, again TH start, city, TH close, TR close. Our first row is complete. Now we will start second row. I hope you are able to see this coding. Now we will start TR. Now I will enter the First we will see the output of this row. table2.html. Because before going to see this table, I would like to show you first coding of table which given in our textbook. But this is our textbook coding. See, body HTML body h1 my first table, paragraph my first table is as follow. Table border, we are missing this line tr td, tr close, tdr start. See, now one line is missing in our table border. Border equal to 2. The name of our tag, our coding is table2. We will open it. How we can open it? With the help of Google browser. Are you able to see? I hope some part is cut. See, this is my new table. Name, address, city. This is our first row. Now I want to enter the value. Name Dhansri, address is Bestan, and city is Surat. Now for it I need to add new one more row. See, now my row is here over. What can I do? I again start td. First value is Dhansri, td close. Another td, that means table data. Name, then address. My address is Bistan. Next is td close, new td start. td. City. City is my Surat. td close, tr close, table close. Then body close, HTML close. I hope you will get this coding. Now I just refresh it. Are you getting this point? This is my table coding. How we are creating table? Simple coding. Now suppose I want to enter 10 value. How we can enter? Shall we write again and again? We just copy this tr column from tr, because in each and every row only the values will be changed, otherwise all things are same. See, what we will do? We just copy our data, Control C, right click, copy, and Control V. I will update Dhansri with Rajesh, Bistan with Udna, again I will add third value, Dhansri with Smita. This will be with Randeep. Now I just refresh it, press F5. getting this point, how we can copy the data and create a table immediately. So I hope you will understand the table coding. In our textbook they are giving a table border equal to 2. If we can change the table border value, the border will be changed. If I will create a table border 4, see the change between the border. Are you getting this point? The border will be bold. So now see, this is the simple coding of how to create a table. This is our row 1, column 1. The HTML code shown in code listing 4.6 uses table tag with some attribute and component. Table tag and its attribute. The tag and attributes, you are familiar with this word, align. This attribute indicates the alignment of table. BG color, border, cell padding, cell spacing, DIR, frame, rules, summary. Which color you want to give background in your table, you will use the BG color. Border color, if you want to give a border color, see, table border equal to 4 and align equal to left. You want to color to your border, BG color equal to yellow, then the color will be change. See, table border equal to 4, align equal to center, BG color equal to this. This is a simple coding of table. Align attribute, left, right, align, center and justify. See, BG color attribute, TRBG color, table border, see, TRBG color. If you want to give any TRBG color, you will give the coding like this. Suppose we are using, I want to use TRBG color equal to red. I hope you are able to see the change in this particular row. So same they are give you here, TRBG color. Same way you will continue all these. What is the caption of the table? Caption, this is our timetable. See, is this way you are able to create a timetable. In our next practical session, when I will come in next session, you must be done this code listing 4.2. This is your homework. Today I just want to complete this session here. In our next practical you should be complete this our timetable coding. Coding is already there. Today I will stop my session here. You must be, I hope you will be understand how to create a table. So this is a simple different type of coding tables. In next session we will see how to create a nested table. Thank you very much.